YouTube.
Gotcha.
Just because it's a public thing. Once we're done, it'll be deleted from YouTube. So we're on the record in case number 21-96595 DM. This is Sarah. Let me know if I get this right. Betelgeuse?
Betlieski.
Betlieski, not even close. And Wade Betlieski, and I'll probably get that wrong during the hearing. It will be easier.
Yes.
Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to take some testimony. We're here to enter a judgment of divorce. There's a problem with your judgment, guys. The child support order is on a form that we can't use anymore.
Oh,
so
okay.
What I want to do, if this works for you guys, is take the testimony, make sure that I can enter the judgment of divorce. Then I'm going to try to fix the judgment, and then you'll both have to come in to sign it, though. Okay? Will that work for you guys?
Yeah, that's fine.
And if it doesn't work, what I'll do is email both of you to say, hey, I'll email you both and say, hey, it's ready for you at the front of the court window. Go ahead and sign. If it's not going to work out, I'll let you know. Okay. Next step. But what I can do is
that's fine.
Okay. I can take testimony today to establish that I have jurisdiction to enter your judgment. So if you could both raise your right hands, please. You both swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
I do.
Okay, thank you. Sarah, looks like you filed for divorce about September 14th of 2021. Is that right?
That is correct.
Okay, at the time of filing, had you been a resident of Michigan for 180 days?
Yes.
Had you lived in Ottawa County for at least 10?
Yes.
Okay. When you filed for divorce, you indicated that there had been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony had been destroyed, and there remained no reasonable likelihood that the marriage could be preserved. Is that still true now?
Yes.
Okay. Are you pregnant?
No.
Okay. Let's just go through your proposed judgment. I have the feeling that this is based on a consent, that you guys are both in agreement on this. Wade, I'll ask you some questions after I ask Sarah just to make sure you're cool with everything.
Okay.
You guys have the 2 children. Let me just bring this up. And the judgment grants sole legal and physical custody to you, Sarah. Is that your understanding?
Correct.
Okay. Your parenting time schedule, it's as attached. I think you attached the interim order that the friend of the court did for you, but it looks like Wade's parenting time is every other weekend. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
And then you're going to follow the friend of the court FOC holiday schedule if you guys can't agree? Okay.
That's correct.
All right. And then you, Sarah, will claim both children every year for tax deductions.
Correct.
Spousal support is neither party's requesting it, and it's barred forever.
Yes.
So neither of you can come back. There's a house that at 8015 Birchwood Avenue that will be awarded to you, Sarah, and you'll take. Says Wade will do a quit claim deed. Is that house in both your names?
So the mortgage is in just my name. And then we have a home equity that is both of our names. But in this divorce, I put that I will be taking all debts that is associated with the house. Okay.
Now, the one thing, Wade, you guys need to understand is the court can say, okay, that's your debt. The bank doesn't care. The bank can go after both of you. Okay.
Okay.
So just
would that just be I would just have to refinance then?
You would have to refinance that. What is the balance on the home equity loan? Do you know?
Like 43 or 45,000.
Okay, is that something you think that you can refi?
It might take me a little bit, but yes. I have to get my credit back up to be able to refinance that.
Okay. Right now, it doesn't indicate that you're gonna refinance. Wade, what's your take? How do you feel about that?
I'm fine as long as I mean, obviously, like you said, it's not, you guys can say that I don't have to take the responsibility. Courts or the bank has their own thing.
Yeah,
As long as she can refinance under it for herself, that's fine. You know, I'm not looking to make any big purchases anytime soon to get that off of my credit.
okay.
So she has some time.
How much
And
time do you think, Sarah, how much time do you think you need to be able to refinance that?
Like I said, I have to get my credit back up, so maybe 6 months.
Okay, wait, if we say
Not
1
sure.
year, if I add into your judgment that she has 1 year to refinance that, are you good with that?
yeah, that's fine. I'm not,
Okay.
and we talk about that kind of stuff. So,
Mhm.
you know, if she has any problems or anything that comes up, I get it.
Okay, what I'll say is that there's 1 year to refinance. Then you guys will just have to deal with it after that. If something happens, Wade, you could come back and, I don't know, ask the court for her to pay you back or something like that. But hopefully that's not a problem. Then it says that the personal property, you guys have already divided your personal property, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And then Sarah, you're keeping the Ford Excursion, and Wade, you're keeping the Ford F-350,
Yes.
Yes,
and you're both keeping any loan that is owed on those cars?
correct.
Okay, are those loans in each other's, are they in mutual?
Those are actually paid off, both vehicles.
Yeah, both of those
All right,
vehicles
cool.
are paid off.
Then we're good. You're each gonna be responsible for paying debts in your own name. It looks like you're splitting a Verizon bill,
Yes,
about $1,200 each.
that's where it was at. Yes.
Okay, now Verizon again can go, I assume that it's in both your names. Verizon can go after one of you or both of you, okay?
Mhm.
They don't, you guys can say we're splitting it, but you can't go into Verizon and say, hey, look, I paid my half, so it's up to her. They can say, we don't care, all right? Just so you know that.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, because that is under my name. So
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
And then each awarded any retirement counts. And then Sarah, you're gonna have your name changed to Sarah Mott, right?
correct. Yes.
Okay. Let me just see if there's anything else. And then for the child support, is there any public assistance for the kids?
There was for a short time, right after we had done the child support order. I was still out of work. I wasn't working at all. So
Okay.
there was a little bit of public assistance, but I haven't been on that probably in about a month or two.
Okay. So right now, it looks like what you're doing is just setting it at a straight $1,000 a month with equal, the ordinary medical split equally between the two of you. Wade, we have you as responsible for insurance for the kids, if it's reasonable, the price. And then that's a deviation. If we follow the normal numbers, it would be about $1,300. Is that correct?
Yes, that's what that was.
Okay, and you're both in agreement to continue the deviation then, just to $1,000?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what I'm gonna have to redo for you.
Okay.
I will do that. Then you've attached the recommended custody and parenting time. I have a feeling that this is actually what's your your parenting time addendum. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it just has to be every other weekend from Friday at 5 till Sunday at 5?
Correct.
And then that FOC holiday schedule? Okay. All right. I'm pretty sure I have your email addresses. Let me just double check. It's sarah.mott wade.automation01@gmail, and then it's Wade dot your last name at jrautomation.com.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
I will email you both, hopefully tomorrow. I'm not going to be in the office today, but hopefully I'll get that fixed for you tomorrow, and then we'll have it ready for you at the FOC to sign, okay?
Okay.
Once you sign it, then the court will sign it, and then you'll be divorced, but you won't be divorced until that happens, okay?
Okay.
Wade, you've heard Sarah's testimony about the custody arrangements, the parenting time, her not being pregnant, that there's been a breakdown in the marital relationship and that you guys can't reconcile. Is all that true?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. All right, then I will recommend, after I get these things fixed or try to fix it, I'll recommend that the court sign that. Do either of you have questions for me?
No.
I don't think so. I think I'm good.
Okay. All right, well, we'll get that, I'll try to get that taken care of and I'll let you know. And if you have any questions, you can let me or the self-help center know, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you. We're
Yep.
adjourned.
Good luck with your tire.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
You can do that on like your virtual background.
Yeah, but it can get weird. See? So, yeah, so be careful. Yeah, I don't think I'm recording. I'm live on YouTube.